In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, Apple and Samsung remain titans, continually pushing the boundaries of innovation and design. The recent releases of the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Z have created a buzz among tech enthusiasts. Let's dive into the key differences between these flagship devices to help you make an informed choice. Design and display. 1. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts Apple's signature sleek and minimalistic design, with a ceramic shield front cover and a surgical-grade stainless steel frame. 1. It features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion technology for smoother scrolling and interactions. 2. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Z, on the other hand, features a stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a high refresh rate for vibrant colors and sharp visuals. 2. It has a slightly curved edge display and a glass back, providing a premium look and feel. Performance. 1. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A16 Bionic chip, promising lightning-fast performance and improved energy efficiency. 1. It offers seamless multitasking, gaming, and app usage. 2. The Galaxy S23 Ultra Z relies on Samsung's Exynos or Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, depending on the region. 2. It provides robust performance, making it suitable for intensive tasks and gaming. Camera systems. 1. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max features a triple camera system, including a 12 megapixels wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. 1. The Pro RAW and Pro Res video recording options cater to photography and videography enthusiasts. 2. Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra Z is renowned for its camera capabilities, boasting a quad camera setup, which includes two 108-megapixel sensors, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope-style telephoto lens. 2. It offers impressive zoom capabilities and exceptional low-light performance. Operating systems. 1. The iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on Apple's iOS, which is known for its user-friendly interface, timely updates, and a vast selection of apps on the App Store. 2. The Galaxy S23 Ultra Z operates on Samsung's One UI, which is feature-rich and highly customizable. 2. It offers Android's flexibility and access to the Google Play Store. S Pen and stylus support. 1. Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra Z supports the S Pen, offering enhanced productivity and creativity for users who prefer stylus input. 2. The iPhone 15 Pro Max does not natively support a stylus, which could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize this feature. Battery life. 1. Both phones come with substantial battery capacities, ensuring all-day usage. 1. However, real-world battery performance may vary based on individual usage patterns. Price. 1. The iPhone 15 Pro Max tends to be priced on the higher end, reflecting the premium Apple experience. 2. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Z offers competitive pricing, making it an attractive option for those seeking top-tier features without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Z are exceptional devices that cater to a wide range of user preferences. Your choice will ultimately depend on your brand loyalty, operating system preference, and specific feature requirements. Consider your priorities carefully to determine which of these flagship smartphones aligns best with your needs and budget.